I mostly didn't wear the skirt on the wig. Nah. I wasn't doing that winter. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be taking you on a weekend journey with Chelsea Zoe, and this video is in 2 parts. We'll be having the part that we will be prepping and packing our style for this week journey. It's just for 3 days or 2, 3, any of them. So stay tuned because your girl is back. Do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, share. Give it a thumbs up, guys. Come and join this family. If you are new here, come and join this family.
You see what's going on here? I'm now packing my clothes like it's 7:30 p.m. in the evening. I just arrived from work and I have to go to the bus station at 10 p.m. because I'm traveling from Kumasi to Accra, so I need to get at 4 a.m. or 5 for my induction. I'll put my wig in this bag. It's very comfortable. You can fold it into a very small folds into your bag. So you just open the clip and place the wig inside, and you hold it again with the clip and put it in the wig bag. So this is called a tummy wrap. You all can see I'm wrapping it around my tummy. Though my belly is flat, but girl, I do not joke with it. I don't want it to become big, so I'm always wrapping it around and making sure it's tight in the morning.
The next day.
I am a member of YouTube. Why? How to drink my water?
I told you something pussy Hi, Rhoda. Hi. Hello.
Yeah, hi.
Hi. Hello. Hey, smile for the camera. Hello. For our YouTube. Smile. You have a YouTube channel. Just smile. Smile for the camera. Ella, smile, okay? good morning. I just came back from the trip and yeah, I've actually washed my face and I used the lip balm. I use this Odin. I used that facial scrub. My face was washing and I rubbed it on my face for 3 minutes, and I used a Vaseline on my lips. That's the only thing I've done when I came. And those were the dress I wore when I was going, and when coming back to, that's the same dress I wore. This jacket really isn't part of the dress, but I think it was giving it a vibe, like it was making the dress nice. But I actually took it along because when I'm in the bath and it's getting cold, like, I don't like cold weather. I really don't like cold weather, so I wear this jacket. And also I think I took a sauce cap along. I mostly didn't wear the sauce cap on the wig. Nah. I wasn't doing that winter vibe. I didn't put the sauce cap on the wig. So when it's getting cold or when we're in the bath, I took the wig off and put the sauce cap on like this with my jacket on, and I sleep like a doll. So that was mostly what I was doing. Oh, my hair. The sauce cap has put on my hair. I hope I'm not looking that bad, guys. Well, so it's actually 10 a.m. right now. It's 10 a.m. I decided to vlog for you guys before I sleep because you could see I'm so stressed out. Like my eyes, like I can't even talk properly. Like I feel so sleepy because the journey wasn't that stressful, but it was stressful. It's like he didn't do anything for it to be stressful, but it was stressful. Because when we got there at 4 a.m, we went round like Accra. Why? We went to like 4 guest houses around the place. We didn't want to spend a lot of money on Uber, so we went to 4 guest houses around the place, around Usu, them side. I think we went to Greenleaf, and what were the rest of the guest houses name? I'm not sure I remember. But the one I remember that was close, very close to the place that you could even walk from the conference to the place. The rooms were full. I was like, how? So the person thought I didn't believe, so he showed me where they keep all their keys for the rooms. They were empty. The places were empty. People, they enjoy. Wow. Like, well, let me keep my thoughts inside. The program I went it's more like a mini graduation. Well, is it like a mini graduation to you? It's called an induction or swearing in. So if you're a health personnel, like a nutritionist, a dietitian, doctor of medlab, optometrist, we all went there to be inducted. So you are being sworn in that I pledge that I'll place my priorities above the patient, whatever, and a whole lot of stories. But that is what you should do, because health, it should be about passion, not money. Like, so can you hear? But in the health section, I'm really sure you need to get a side job. Or else go and do mining, the oil companies and those things. Because it's more being passionate about your work than the money. Because regardless of any situation, you can't watch the patient die because you are not being paid. You are still going to work. You are still going to take care of the people, because it's people alive that we are talking about. So your money cannot buy a life. If you need money, go and do music, proper music, I mean, like fashion, because that is ruling the world. YouTubing, like what I'm doing right now, guys. Just saying, YouTube, do not forget to subscribe, girl. Like, subscribe, please. Subscribe. Like, I don't just do vlogs, I do hair, I do natural hairs, I do skincare. Like, if you want your skin to be smooth, give you all the routines, like routines that you don't need to spend much. I tell you, wouldn't spend more than 50 cedis on it, or even 10 cedis on it. Yeah. So back in line. I'm sorry I went off, but I'm back again. I think next time I should write whatever I want to say down, so I don't just be bluffing around. So with the induction, it's like you swear in, you are being called to take your certificate. So it's more like you have your certificate for your university, and you have another certificate from the Ministry of Health. So 2 certificates. How nice is it? Like 4 years you have 2 certificates. It's very interesting. So I could take and a log book. The most annoying part is the log book. Guys, I'm looking. It's not like I'm looking. My hair is making me look like a monster on camera. So I'm using this brush. Yeah, it looks dirty. Like, as a lady, you should be washing all your brushes to bring it on point. So back to whatever I'm saying, the logbook, which is the most annoying part, is like you should done an intention and attachment anywhere. You write everything you do daily. So maybe today I was at the reception, today I was in the storage room, today I was with the boss, and today I was the secretary. You write and you go and look for the supervisor or the one in charge or the coordinator to sign for you. So that's the logbook. So my whole year of doing this national service, I will be jotting and writing, keeping dates, making them sign. See how boring this is? So boring. I just realized I'm using this brush as my microphone, so then put it down. So that's what's literally the trip. And you see that watching this video, I didn't show much more. I didn't say anything. I didn't even vlog during the travel. It was in the evening. You are not going to see anything. You're going to see dark leaves and whatever. And yes, and I also, like, vlogging outside is very difficult, guys. It's so difficult that you're holding your phone or your camera like, hi guys, this is the Parliament House, this is the conference hall, it's opposite the Parliament House, look at how it looks like, oh, I like this vibes, and see that a day, like, just only my school I went to were like 100 and something. So if 100 and something times 8, we are getting to about 800. See them people that were there, and be like, this girl is crazy. But I'll try and do more. So please do not forget to subscribe. And it's 11 now. I need to go to bed. Before that, I'm so hungry. I don't even know what to eat. I'm so hungry. Like, I think I want bangku, like bangku with okra, with red fish and some nimchinam. Yes. Nimchinam. Yes. Yeah, that's what I needed. So see you next weekend. Please, while subscribing, click on the notification button so you don't miss any of my videos. Click on the notification button so you don't miss any of my videos. And guys, let me know in your comments how you like this video. And guys, tell me more of what you want to hear from me, and I will do justice to them. Thank you.